sunshine in, let the sunshine. Feel the breeze, let the good vibes begin. Let the good vibes begin. No worries now, just let it all sway. Just let it all take a breath and enjoy your day. Hey. When the clouds come rolling in, remember the light within. Every moment's a chance to win, so let the happiness begin. Enjoy your day, let the sunshine in, let the sunshine in. Feel the breeze, let the good vibes begin. Let the good vibes, no worries now. Just let it all sway, just let it all sway. Take a breath and enjoy your day. The day, as the day turns into night, hold on to the joy so tight. Tomorrow's another chance to say, I'll enjoy my day, come what may.
Because you, number one, you are not speaking in English. You are reading English medium school? Yes. All your subjects are in English? Yes, sir. All your textbooks are in English?
Yes, sir.
All your teachers writing on the whiteboard, blackboard and smart class in English?
Yes, sir.
Then why you don't speak English? You promise that from today I will talk in English. Karo promise. I will speak in English. In my class. At my home. It is my promise, sir. I promise to complete my classwork in class. Homework at my home. This is my promise. And third, I promise to obey my mother, my father, and my guru. I promise to follow school rules and good manners and etiquettes at home. I promise to be the best son, the best daughter in my family. I love my school. I love my home. I respect my parents. I respect my teachers. Every morning I touch feet. Every night I touch feet. Thank you. Complete our classwork and complete our homework also in fair handwriting and start using English talking in the classroom also. And if your brother sister reading in the same school, you talk in English at home also. You all promise?
Yes, sir.
No more time wasting on mobile games or TV. Now you must focus on your studies, reading, writing and learning. Understand?
Yes, sir.
You must be thinking why Principal Sir has invited you suddenly in the Principal's chamber. As per the reports of all your subject teachers, including class teachers and monitors, the work has been found incomplete. Attention level is low, focus level is negative. There is no problem if you are slow. There is no problem if memorizing or learning by rote you can't do. I won't mind. Focus is missing from studies. When teachers are teaching, your brain is diverted except the textbook or white blackboard, you are busy talking with friends or doing any helter-skelter activity. I am not targeting you only. It is a common problem with modern generation. They are distracted and diverted too much where the point is indicated. Other than that point, they see and they try to do anything else other than that. Suppose in this room, if I say that everybody look at Dadaji's statue, Dadaji's photo. So now you are looking at Dadaji's photo because principal sir is standing and indicating towards the specs or the cap or the smile of Dadaji. But when the teacher is teaching and telling you to read L-A-T-E, late Shri Vasudevji Arya, at that time your concentration is missing. You start talking here, there, start looking, and the golden teaching hour is lost. It is not just one day, and it is not only you. I am neither blacklisting you nor highlighting you. The purpose is that you must focus only that time, only on that point which is being taught. I hope you understand. Next time you will be awarded with toffees, gifts and prizes. I want to see a better change. I am not expecting if your work is late by one day, I will give you 2 days. If your memory is not as good as of Albert Einstein, no problem. I will give you 7 days time to remember that, learn that. But once you learn the art of focusing, the art of concentration, you will start growing. जब ध्यान ही नहीं होगा, याद है ना वो कहानी अर्जुन और चिड़िया वाली? गुरुजी ने पूछा क्या क्या दिखता है, तो किसी ने कहा पेड़ दिखता है, किसी ने कहा सूरज दिखता है, किसी ने कहा फूल दिखता है. फिर अर्जुन से पूछा क्या दिखता है, कि गुरुजी मुझे तो सिर्फ चिड़िया की आंख दिख रही है. Concentration is required, focus is required. Hope you understand that. Okay, thank you.